How to recover videos marked as not interested on YouTube on Android. This tutorial shows you how to undo that action and get those videos showing up in your feed again. First, open Chrome on your Android device and go to myactivity.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. From there, tap the menu icon and select Other Activity from the list. After that, scroll down through the page until you find YouTube User Feedback. This is where all your not interested responses are stored. At this point, tap Delete next to it to wipe all your past not interested feedback at once. Finally, confirm the deletion and YouTube will begin recommending those videos again in your feed going forward. Keep in mind that this clears all your not interested feedback in one go. You can't remove individual entries, so everything gets reset at the same time. That's how you recover videos marked as not interested on YouTube on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.